Anope na dey na pesa me kire. Me say Russia di na say me nka bi da. Mo say Ghana for ma, mo say yen Ghana ma ye pema. Na de course we mo peden.
It was a mistake.
Yeah, mistake.
We are sorry.
Okay, we are also sorry.
It won't happen again.
Yes, it won't happen again.
It was a mistake.
Some two-way pan, na me to be car, na me drew. Your friend is saying, Akramo. I don't know. Na me sure about to say fear. Na me say fear. Follow me. Now yeah, Uber.
Yeah, drew.
And yet, draw be we a musu and a mobile. And I'm modernity. Or Babia Padia, share. Me mammy can't say me.
Can't follow me, can I mean what she?
Me mammy catch them and say, Quadromi, your banny been also some master, no Babia Padi Coco, Bruni Coco. Me mammy agi. Or catch them say, Quadro, what's some master to do? Me your banny be. Na ma Padi Coco. Russia didn't know by no oil to do. Wait, on your coco.
Forgive us, please.
Hey, wait, now I say, follow me. Now, Oba or ye Uber. We tibia cancel Uber no. Now we deep permanently. Say, Ghana ni be man say ne pan kana mama am in pressing iron. Me papa etiye ne ya ne yam okoda dialysis so. Me pa it say it's love all about sex. I do like. Wait. A man determine when to have sex with you. It is not you, the woman. And I'm also mania be. You know, when I'm caught in man, we your bar now compare bema, we crasini. When you mean or bam pebema. Mema sophobia and fanquasia preaching. And that was sorry them say, we share bema and a home for a sister, man, you be that. We are so before cheap. You are not supposed to propose to a man as a woman because oba nware bema bema na ware oba.
Illiteracy is a disease. Illiteracy is a disease.
Say meme e wo krom ha ya. The world will come to an end. What's that eh? Why no? Dro. It is a wukunu so pem mema ema na ye wukunu dro. Munjin tum sa.
Gwen
Bema na kope.
There be Bema no so te wa onko di aduro no se ma e pen dia and the Bema no so di aduro mafia e ma no di aduro e ye Bema no ti no so ko no se Bema no buy da no wa di aduro no ye baako and the ma do ko di na chi it is a Bema bi so Ghana no so o di machi a and the ma no so ayo no so baako na aduro gwen afa de wani ma ye o
mani munye o samuni ati ya nka obi be
eti bro ni no buy no mo betena yie ben
oh no be me ko je wo say clarify say
you clarify then
if I show me ba enya omu nyina na sabi omu di na chi a
debi enya meme su nyina so na hwe ma
no ko je me pa show me ba lady ba ko so ye esa estate developer
one penny
and she explained
one penny say enya meme nyina so na hwe ma woni nipa ma bo mo kwase wa asase so eye meme hwe won Adam didn't quite to Homer if or the apple 2 cities. I'm on in terms say. Why did
you? And I mean, sure, so more do queen or no ye BB.
Debut. Whether or no ye BB or one ye BB. Maybe says as a man can be net.
Because ye BB.
As I say, ye booma.
We are going through a lot.
Yes, sir. A branch and a ye massa, but branch and a mayor massa. Sam George, to what you like a for Atacramon Fanamai.
Jaisa.
Can for Atacramon to be a Fanama.
Jaisa.
Abutrika, much in the or that cell. I don't know what she abutricano. Master the abutrica quarter cell. The lawyers say, moon charging on a moon fanning court near her. Abutrica dada cell. Then to be charging abutrica bium. Or dada cell. Our cantonment police station. Ye timi charge abutrika ken ofori ataye broni ono de yeso so sana akufado ne na ban ene mia me sofo pani opoko yina efa ban sika Echi Pentecost sika say the kosi cathedral ye to amena na to ho akwa bi na to nyum ni tia bo keka kwasem
Wani.
na me busa sa akwa na waye punk no o to nyum no
I don't know.
say na say cathedral na da ho no enye tabita kum cathedral no ye tabita kum
Cathedral no dey kwen bi azobesi
won say e to da na ya twin say ye nipa no e kofem me busa say na say cathedral enye tabita kum sabanta na fen say omani den
kwen bi azobesi
Miami ni ono frame say Miami new captain me aso me nua Nicholas sa wo papa sika $350 million and ye dey kotu amana sa da ho a entinka wo beto tabita kum won say e be before politics nti ye nyam sakofem mafia me ka bibia say me ye jomama me chi opoku ina to asem no mpanifu atu bi futi na maye din no ba wo abekwa akofa ba no re cha opoku ina tell your people to shut up. If they don't shut up, I'll come out again. Me, Pentecost no biadia and Yamidia. And me, Obi and me, Pammy for Pentecost more. Radina Gupon. Would you try now? The way Messia fat only perfume and the bedroom one bar, sorry no. Who paid that new man when him one man said, we are elder, I have so much to me saying. Make sure was me, bro. Me nobody can sack me from the Church of Pentecost. I am quiet because respectable apostles and pastors of the church. Enemy akasa. I respect Opokuina. I love him. Unim dinti amevia. We share Pentecost Convention Center. Ade aye papa no yesi hwa. Ebimba da edutwam the whole of Africa. And then other churches, Papa, Opokuina, I salute you this morning. I respect you and I love you. But National Cathedral now go ahead, you know, 350 million. Sikan way. And only I'm not that way.
Tabita.
I'm not that way. Maybe you can't remember Opoku come at chill da.
Tabita.
I'm being honest. Come at chill. Nima crowd the Hoyam, do not go to go water pasel.
Tabita.
I have a coffee say we as some ye can you slowly ye can. Mimi ye Mahama come at you poku ni na da. Asofo na ka National Cathedral so na come at you woman na mo bia da sell. Now lawyer baba melu. If you watch this, Professor Amiwe Kumfi $2 million per. Papa Penin and yere yon hima.
Cathedral no dey
Papa da sell sa no nyu bia kura mbebeli MPP fo ja na ajeje mu. Na ya koto 350 million ato agu. As against 2 million. Na so for nam ho. Na Ghana so for akọ Mahama akọ catch say leave the National Cathedral issue alone. Otherwise we will turn the church against you. Ghana Christopher. So what was for them no di asori sika den na.
Cathedral no dey.
Elder was for them catechist was for them father was for them. No di asori sika fia den na moka. Ya so for akese aye wo krom ha no. Wo ma ko Mahama ha ko catch and say he should leave the National Cathedral issues alone. Otherwise they will turn the church against Mahama.
Cathedral no dey kwen bi azobesi.
What was for wo krom ha.
You see we are.
Mesa me ye Mahama ka ba na ma chi opoku ina da. Papa Opoku, you know I love you. Mefia, oba mi fie 4 times besra me be bom pa ya ma me. Me ko ni fie 3 times.
Wani.
Pentecost dodo saying no what access to the chairman. It's an honor to me. I love that man. He drove his car. Opoku ina na ma misua de enti asema toka kra na me wo driver lent na car na chi na me nya me ho big. I learned that from Opoku ina. Opoku ina on track chi otna front on driver na yepe.
Na otina na ndonka.
No you see ML dadadi and one otna mu san life as the chairman of the Church of Pentecost. I love him. I respect him.
Na otina na.
But I say penny to akwada for the toda so akwada 2 penny for. That's akwada 2 penny for na penny ntia. Sa akwada no ni penny ni be yepe. De ehunu no se pani tu akwada for this akwada na ntia sa akwada no ontimi ni pani ni nye peda de bia pani ni bebro do so na bom sa akwada tu pani fo Nessa penny and tia, Sapenino, Aquadana and the Bepe.
Tabita.
National Cathedral, it was a bomb. Let me be anyone I had the Yamu Yankupon. It's a lie. We're not building it for God. Meswa cement. Minisolo. Me catch a Fidelity Bank every month. $100 and co. Do you know the number of bags of cement I bought for the National Cathedral? Even if I paid for 10 months, it was 1,000 bags of cement. Me, I'm telling you. But 1,000 bags of cement, and when you want to own. Nicholas Omane Buama. Omane Day. Omane Chapo. Sophie could have went to me and Toby Uncle. Who can I say Cathedral? Who would go?
Tabita.
Who would I say Cathedral lunch and cry? Who I am from me a friend?
Tabita Kum.
Who cry and invite you?
Achiane Muya, Abasana ye, Achiane Muya.
DH boys who are you.
Achiane Muya.
Me, next Cathedral for I said that brand envelope S1 crop for about me. National Cathedral down on here, Mafia, Mahama slow. I'm telling you today, our president is scared. Most sorry, I see you America Copeduma. You call UK a Copeduma, you call France a Copeduma, and sorrow don't know what's in our home. Africans, now go to dying, Indian sorry, Ewa Butchery. Wait, a sorry wound here. Mafia done me catch on me. Say me that so rich na. May see Jesus Christ or you fake kura me cause why a Christian. Wait. I love Christianity. And I'll forever be a Christian. Eh? Say me that so rich na. May see Jesus no Bible mu no. Onye no kura me cause why a Christian. Because why? The Bible 3 languages. Me the true Bible. And over 3,000 years they were all pointing to one person.
Cathedral no dey.
Bible na da one the kasa miensa and a troye. Emfi apem ene akire ba wo nyina na wo kakam one wo kan Yesu. Hey, won enti se me da sore ye kina na se yesi Yesu mpo sabe eburu sabe enyado Yesu eye fake enye no kura me koso aye Kristo ni.
Captain Smart.
But that does not mean said the enye no. Mentena ho na menhwe se enye. Na se cathedral na da ho no. Say ye
Cathedral no.
Yeah, pastor says Children's Hospital ye bi nsi won kran. Cathedral asase da ho. Ye bu adan ma judge fo enye ba bi atena. Na obi te ho ke kansem fon said
no dey kwen bi aso ebesi. Kwen bi aso ebesi.
Obi ke kan den.
Na utina na ndonka.
Me ye Ghana man peniti se Mahama ka sofo na da National Cathedral Board of Trustees kama chi wonyina
Cathedral we see them in sanke
enti enye wan say oman ya ye constitution say emre bia ni asase so chen Ghana constitution na ye nya sofo so ye executive secretary ni ebisa na say ma bo Ghana ban bosia ewurade Christopher ye won da be na national chief imam bo Ghana bosia
Cathedral we see them in sanke keys no
na yet krom ha say sofo say ma bo Ghana fo nyina besia na ye nya nkrofo bu ye MPP fo
enu na men say na me do
say yen ye support sa papa no an individual wa bo Ghana besia wa bra mafia ekwan ye da Tantra Hills anim ho na me pese me am de me sika ye me call Roads Ministry me wo fam akwata ka kire me say me need to me say me to be me sika aye kwan na that Tantra Hills from Anija Hospital Junction no so e ba be fa me fie denim ekosi ase ho me pese me de me bottom sika Abraham ese kwan amakwata ka kire me say me ni sa to me no Summit me aye sa kwan no na me pese me ya because 2023 me can MPP asem 2024 me can MPP asem ti se me pese me ya me nkotro bra na me se wofa me te wanim one on one as a minister me wofa ne ho e me waka chem se me ni to me na me nkotro ba respond or say there be me say na me nantro
Razi my MPP yin biara
ba ye ti me nya nipa ba akopeti me ase nyame anim so e sofo se wa boga na besia
ahun brase that ni mumbio that
National Cathedral amena ne da ho can for yet to parliament amafia Woman busa kenoforiata. As my kenoforiata can say ye pay expenditure. Anyhow, those monies were spent. We should go and ask the chairman of the cathedral. The board of trustees, the chairman of the board of trustees. This is what Kenoforiata said our parliament. Yankobu said, Nipa, no, you're doing any edano. My friend, I wouldn't crow him. And the Bible told me, say, and you to forward do on America. Some call raise funds. Yama musika. Me pacho, so the beduba bonti obekande. Or say capre. Cry and famano, and I jab him bois. It is Sikana ye chase and famanion to Fwana. Minia Bema, so the bedu yam money bino. Sasikano, a course of Wabeno. Because I asked for an a chescano. Why what is Cano call?
Nascano,
Ya bokagu. Yenyan Crawford Chigana condemned the shit. A bokagu. Yenyan Crawford Chigana the shit. At the quack the shit. But because of politics, me, I am a good standing member of the Church of Pentecost. But me can be say, some your president come a chop queen.
Captain Smart.
Come and see us for the busunina. Nasa me ba children tesa makasa wedi fo. Because a nipa gunsa won yo mu na why bone. Obi o won timi ankyere na asemu. Ba me be fawa. No wa be kyerem se sika no wo na wote so. Say ko ha, we ko ha. Ghana for mo hwe nyame anim na mo nka ne ko na mo gya nya twem no.
Wa kye no.
Ukuro mo hina to asase ba ko ma nipa mienu. Enya de papa me mfua so. But 350 million. Ye hwehwa ye hu ye de tu amena. And we have Christians in this country supporting this rubbish. Samson or Baba Kupen of one woman called Delilah. Obia Sro, a sophobia 2 Bema for Samson. Sophobia 2 Bema for Samson. Samson. So it is not the number of women in your life, it is that woman that can bring you down.
Captain Smart.
Samson. And yet, ma do I want Bema like Abrabum. Esa oba ba ko pe no ye kate bone na odi oba be ma no be kokop enti Solomon heard no say no me nye metumi hofo me nua pani Samson Delilah hadia Delilah wonim say aya mete say Pentecost on ye obi Abigail oba ne ho ofe no wa adwumpa Abigail oni adwumpa bia oba ma bia ho Bible no Abigail is the best oba odi kan o sin ni kunu kwasea o Bible ni kunu David. Go and read the Bible very well. Me who did Delilah? How would Abigail? Jamefa Delilah. Abigail. Go and read about Abigail in the Bible.
Captain Smart, the king of.
I didn't say Abigail. Yeah, no, yeah. Abigail, ni pache Delilah. Delilah cried to see to Yanaka. Go and read the Bible very well. Read about Abigail. Now I heard description Abigail the man nikunu. And some more kafa ni kunu Bible.
He is smart.
Bema bia was asesu bia sa wo yire kasa sa say the Abigail kasa ye efa ho a ka wo bepene a.
Captain Smart.
We are all crucifying Delilahs in this world. But we are all the Abigails are more than Delilah. Men kan sa wo ye bema ko pe ma no. Men kan sa wo ye bema ko ware ma dodo no. I'm not for that. But the fact is that say yetibitna omem yes it's at 350 million. Pacho Hospital, UGMC Hospital. Yes, you saying Mahama is C Hospital no. Pacho no boy is saying what the compare car. Yes, I know. Our cathedral. What says say Gano? Be idea about the National Cathedral.
Shows.
I didn't say yeah and before Yami be treat and cat. Until you mind ye dano. What if so mutu Kwame Nkrumah and crying him for their partition? Could that soldier for the post passing?
Captain Smart.
Asante in free bidding self. nsefo aswa nsefo from Kumasi at the bankran at the command Ghana post for any soldier for some money no why are they
Captain Smart
Central region I can fully be Mafia with a nine punching at the apetition kaho at the command Nwahine said G nafa koma soldier for say you two Kwame Nkrumah wonji ni won producer for newspaper and to TV ni so ebi before ye nya twom ye smart you ye two Kwame Nkrumah no ye nya ade bi papa bi amfa nkoche ntime ya underline apatashi ye din say for fia santimam apatashi every central region because enkran na abedi ha ni ntwansa wa ha ye din sa every central region bronga hafo the only people are taba ye two Kwame Nkrumah wo su ye eyesremfo titru dagate for because they saw say one year be mama kwe say Kwame Dagate something Dagate I forgotten the name some bodyguard no me refin din he's the only person he had the discussion mafia sa Dagate ni abantie no o te say enya Kwame Nkrumah obeku no it's that day no Dagate na ye me off day one day I'll tell you that story we am show I am for what from hard and sa ekoda soldier for near post fast say you took Kwame Nkrumah memu one the petition Gary that the command Ghana Armed Forces jubilation for the overthrow of the old dictatorial regime dictatorial really Kwame Nkrumah Mafia, come you before me can be at all, no, we am for. So, who's your bama or your UPS in here? Careful. Who's your bow? Your UPS in here? Careful. When we nation records.
He is smart. He is unique. He is the best.
Get anybody ever doing a UP before? But Mafia. For any to from university be na UP for sida from UP to MPP me am CJ ko for be the president also university okay takwa dada and control the entire University of Mines sunya be ya e be the university why alliance say Professor Mills show me one polyclinic UP for sida. One say na Eslo Usu, no a minister for communications. One say no dance man. For head dance man polyclinic in the way.
The king of morning shows.
Mafia, show me one teaching hospital in this country, a UP4C. Kwalebu, a UP4C. Konfanochi, a UP4C. UGMC, a UP4C. Bank hospital, I want to see. Whole teaching hospital, I want to see. I dare you before me and say yes, Sadin for Dean for front Taron. Show me one. A J Kufo pet. And all you pinia or bow mine subedi so said Mampenia. Who said me and some you before that dream and your papa. I will make who young different. Nekufo or ye N1. A joining Kwame Nkrumah motorway and I'm one. What will you be a buyer? Why are they be a son mopa? Am I Canada? Show me one. Agenda 111. Aku fadu kofa by when to me one book. Baku per se when to me. Okay? Mafia. I don't have to say to Dagate. I don't come say to Dagate no. It will can't say to Dagate no. I'm a Kwame Nkrumah fan it didi mu. You before na wo walk Nkrumah nchen no. Wo mo di etuo epempem say to Dagate ti. Hwe obi a etuo aka no ma na wu. Wo wa na wo frɛ wo ho you before na wo mo soja mu ani post mu na wo mo Kwame Nkrumah ho no. Wo mo di wo mo tu etuo no battle no say mo kan say battle no say battle no say whatever etuo ne to no e de pempem say to Dagate ti. Enti ye kosie say to Dagate na ye hu nanim. I'm telling you today. One day I'll tell you about Sedu Dagati. Sedu Dagati kote say ye be kum Kwame Nkrumah. But ye yasi ye be tuna yintimi to do. Kwame Nkrumah when dia dro da. Aso for me ni Nkrumah uwa ko gini da. Aso for me say Kwame Nkrumah ko je dro be fa na kankan nyame. It's a lie. De bia Kwame Nkrumah be kasa bia no o say nkane nyame no. Ono na sese ye di na chi. It's a Kwame Nkrumah ko gini akoje dro. He mete hey I am challenging. Ubi a wasi winning baby a Kwame Nkrumah ko ye wo Guinea ekodi aduro no bra meto ticket be ma business class na me no akwa kire me yes Kwame Nkrumah kuta white handkerchief me wo share me when we say kuta colored hanky da mafia wo share me when we say kuta colored handkerchief da I'm always holding my white handkerchief Akufo-Addo ba be president when we say kuta colored hanky da I didn't know kuta white handkerchief Akufo-Addo so ko di aduro on the crowd on the shedding her. Was say one na wo Kwame Nkrumah hu nyina wo boa em Nkrumah enwu no soldier form penifo as of that time e withdraw wo nyina go and check the history. Jena eyeme ya say Kwame Nkrumah had 3 female police officers. Ana wo hwe na duane so. Don't forget na Nkrumah won kraman mienu ba da san kraman no mfo mu mpia bonten munim mo sori ana mo ka Kwame Nkrumah sef Kwame Nkrumah had 2 dogs
Oniamachi o
emano se ye ma Kwame Nkrumah duane a na won akote aduane ni bia man kraman no nkraman ni di after 15 minutes
Oniamachi
na hwe anye wo mo a na ye de aduane na Kwame na Kwame yedi into poison entimi Kwame. They tried several times to poison Kwame. The last time bia na Kwame nyam fa nkraman no no person mo poison no ha fantini ba any asantini ba man kesi ani some person poison Kwame Nkrumah. I know their names. I know the names of their towns. They wanted to poison Nkrumah. And it took Nkrani Ba to save Kwame Nkrumah. Who Nkrani Ba no? Okova point nana. Maybe so one day I'll write a book and I'll tell you all the hidden truth. Eye Okova point yeah or MP ni nana ne save Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah wu ko di poison wu.
Captain Smart. King of morning show.
Let's Kwame Nkrumah pass Okova point nana. Keye kunu.
I don't take so. I don't take madness. I don't take far.
Mammy no
take so far.
All the fear and also BBC the so. Bese o say purple blue say a scene so. Na sa we oba na wo kon Nkrumah hɔ a emema dodo sen na gina hɔ a obeka cho say mu na mo nkonchen na maame no meka na sɛm nti maame no kɔɛ no ka gu na som say ye de aduane bi brɛ so far ne don't eat ye brɛ wa aduane bi ɛkɔm de wo asa aduane no Kwame mendi ɛno na ma Kwame Nkrumah kɔpɛ nkraman mienu sɛ fie ne koi sɛ de aduane bia ɛbrɛ me a yɛnti bi ma me nkraman tuntum mienu yi sɛ o ma nwu a na kyerɛ sɛ me nwu na medidi. Now watch this. Kwame Nkrumah in his life as a president no gina ho no didi bisa obi onim no no ntena se didi ji watu kwan ukote bia na mankrama no di wachi na won so wan hye da mfa bibia nkotuma pesa wate ama no nti oje aduane ne fi unsem a oba table no hu ina no na odidi Kwame no odidi ntemtem.
He is smart.
Kwame Nkrumah yo bi odidi ntemtem pa obedu table no ho no na aduane na sa na we jesi ho okọ
and I watch it to remove the third.
A Christopher what kind of yenya chum na yenka no kore.
And I watch it to remove the and I watch it to remove
yenka no kore.
Remove the
Oba free Cape Coast. E dey aduane ne baaye. Bema ofiri kuma se be kan ho. Ema wo mo de say wuduro no ma kwa me nkroma wo na ye basre for me press before.
Enu na ment ya say na me do ho I don't
take. Enye me wan say press be soft pani. Ebe tie mo Mahama mere so wa bra UPO position say nyansafo e mo he. Baby ye fiba no. Ye nim ho chen. And then I'm new big kasa ho machi wo phone so me catch say me obi o me hu bia me ngini ndi mafia what o me nyu ni o I don't trust anybody around me including my mother me adwe wo me tirim am de na masase so ina so obi am pem asem timi me nam ho no e wo me tirim say wo kura wo to wo pem asem jebi pem asem na na kwa me pem asem obi am pem asem even until you kura wo me tirim so pem asem if say me hu ni papen Kwame Nkrumah ye de tena akonwa so na ye tu Kwame Nkrumah ye de apatashi ekoda soja for na post pass producer fato so na yankan
of morning shows.
Jubilation for the overthrow of the old dictatorial regime continued all over the country at the weekend where a UP4 newspaper and it said Daily Guide a MPP4 newspaper no Kwame Nkrumah dictator Oma motorway dictator se Kwame Nkrumah di nisika epema mafia Kwame Nkrumah di nisika kopa oba te se na na do ye sika kopa se wa broni a ya fa se wa broni akoye motorway
so fellow Ghanaians
Kwame Nkrumah nya sika okroma no e na ode kopa se wa broni draw no ye tattoos gu no wa I think how many ya fancy voter authority. Come on, because more than when you can.
So, fellow Ghanaians, my brothers and sisters.
But this UP guys called me a dictator. Rubbish.
He is smart.
And I was when you mess up a media general. Let me know what I did. Let me show you the monka home. So
Captain Smart.
In Accra, the people led by chiefs. The people led by chiefs of the Ga traditional area. Mafia newspaper we or should that skewy the story. Because I can tell you on authority. I am for all over the country. I know me UP for and I am for I am for no supporting UP. Mama Hema German Mumbi want to Masa Befrim.
He is smart.
Sound for right.
He is unique. He is the best. Captain Smart is the king.
I am for our UP for one na bankran ebeka ahemfo ewo enkran no ye UP for that time na numwa ahene no ye UP ni
the king of morning shows
ono no so no one na be see ye ahemfo fi bronga hafo central region even western region Kwame Nkrumah fi ahemfo wo ho ebi eba ye be ka kire eye numwa ahemfo no say ye my idea sankran for motimi aboa me ye tu Kwame Nkrumah chiefs from Volta region the only regional emu ahemfo ambe boada northern region upper east and upper west no chief ceremony be and free wama
of morning shows
amebo me ye tu Kwame Nkrumah ye jubilate say ye tu Nkrumah meanwhile mafia Kwame Nkrumah enyo no a ka sori Pentecost nka ama time apostolic for any chairman Makion e kire ka so asan ko pie Nkrumah anim no na apostolic for je twene kura ya tabo mu afiri ensem
enu na ment
Kwame Nkrumah share Makion anim obisa no 3 questions
the king of morning shows
why did you come to Ghana I say I came because of God. What is your second reason of coming to Ghana? I say to make sure that the ordinary Ghanaian will know God and become a whole being. What is the third reason? I say there is a division, there's a line drawn between the world and the black race. There's a line drawn between the world and the black race. People think that the black people do not have access to God. I came here as a white man to affirm and confirm that God is indeed in the midst of the black. I am here not to fight for riches. I am here not because of your gold. I am here not because of your diamond. I came here that I can help build the black man. And for that matter, Christ to become the banner.
Oh, I don't know.
We will fight. The battle is going to be difficult. The battle will not end now. But at the end of the day, God will become our victorious flag. And the day we buy, say, Okunimu yedin dena rankunimu hein. Niye Franca. Eti, enye Kwame Nkrumah, sisi assembly no say, Munko, Pentecost, Munko tema sorry. Apostolic, Monso Munko. Ba ne, ebinom ye UP for. Fa den to so na menka ntem na men soronko. Ahemfo all over the country, ebe kan nwa hene no na ye chief UP ni etisi mountain so ahemfo ye jubility say to Kwame Nkrumah. And the light ahemfo ne dam okrum ha. Sanya Kwame Nkrumah de si akoso moda banka mo he. Moto we wufi nwa ba enkran. Anka be fa he. In Accra, the people led by the chiefs of the God traditional area danced and sang through the principal streets of the city. They carried placards, some of which read Hanoi. Hanoi na Kwame Nkrumah ko ni etu no. Enti Kenya we ya. Sa wo mampedi wetu kwan ko pa de abre wo wa wo mam. Na yetu na konwa so. Na ba bi okoduru ya ye bo na mane ye se yetu no na ye wo de. Enti ahemfo. Aye. The last stage of Nkrumahism. Really? The last stage of Nkrumahism. Say ya me note hey. And before bebre ya do so me Nkrumahist. And Kwame Nkrumah, Africa's #1 notorious thief. Hey. Kwame Nkrumah, Africa's #1 notorious thief. Me wie man interest. Ah. Anya na yeko. Kwame Nkrumah, ebibi mamu ina kromfotechi amwa. Any placards are then for you so Nkrumah. Bibini. Kwame Nkrumah ne kero for ata hwana e kromfo. Kero for ata bibini. Onye UP asini. Professor Kasim Kasanga. Onye bibini. Onye UP asini. Otrufo be na wo krom ho che ba omia. Say so say we ja NDC. Onye bibini mebwa. Onye UP asini. These guys described Kwame Nkrumah as Africa's #1 notorious thief. What do you Kwame Nkrumah from for?
I want a big gap. I want a big
above a session of the chiefs and people dancing and singing. That section we na wa ha no. Eya him for fi other regions, other places. Ebe kan kran for hin no. The chiefs and people of Nungwa afeti. The chiefs and people of Nungwa traditional area, led by their paramount chief, Ni Odai Ayuku, IV stand for 4. So the 4th, have donated 480 Ghana cedis and a number of gifts to the Ghana Armed Forces and the police in appreciation of their gallant services to the nation. And for overthrowing Kwame Nkrumah. The gifts included 2 cows and full and one at the buy. A lorry load of cassava at the bank. Now come Ghana soldier for near post for 6 kerosene tins of appetition. Container near the book kerosene no. Omedi appetition. Gram makumako ensia and a bag, 1 bag of gari.
Give me quarter, I go pay you tomorrow. Salah, give me.
What's the problem? Why didn't you say? You took Kwame Nkrumah. I did that soldier for us in here. Ghana soldier for your mama petition. Grandsia. And a bag, bottle bag of gari. Me ade ma post for ne soldier for wo mem ha ina samran say mon che gare bottle baako. Are we not hypocrites in this country? Me meka no kure na kire wo. So fi say manu odin aye wasem, fi say me mu ade aye wasem, fi say me tentem mu aye wasem, fi say de aye wasem. Me ye me man.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
And that day is coming, is close and near. When the old will mount that seat again. And we will show you again where the beauty of governance is heading. We will polish Ghana to that state again. Yes, I know some of you will come up. Kano no bi odi machibia na mijididi. Menje tago ndi. Menje me ma mindi. Menje jebi ndi. Nimso bia mpemasem. So I have that mentality. When I am alone, I'll cook my own food. When I am alone, I will never allow Eve to bring me an apple. I'll cook my own food. I'm getting emotional. When I am alone, I'll look for my own water and fetch it and drink. I will never allow Eve to bring me an apple juice.
Captain Smart.
When I am alone, I will look for my own clothes. I will never ask any laundry to wash and iron for me. When I am alone, I would love to be alone. Because my state of being, that is being alone, will help me to build that relationship between me and God. But let me emphasize, state without any ambiguity, that if I were the president of this land, first, plus a software called National Cathedral let's sit in this country, tickle ourselves and laugh, garnish and massage issues.
He is smart.
And think that everything is well. A lot of people are hiding behind the name of Christ. So many of us are hiding behind the name of Muhammad. We are all hiding behind the names of people and doing deadly things, dangerous things in this country. And we think that it's fair. Keep quiet. Don't talk. You are not the only Ghanaian. Keep quiet. Don't say a word. You are not the one to build Ghana. Keep quiet. Don't say this. If we keep quiet, if Nkrumah had not built motorway, Kwame Nkrumah, when see Moving Peak Hotel, when see Golden Tulip and my friend Lancaster now, Kwame Nkrumah say when see Vaco, when see Tamahabo, when see Takrade Habo, Akagana ye wahi. By your two sabe me, you know. I am for what Ghana had the apateshi. Nakoda soldier for. I will keep this newspaper forever in my life. And one day, when he is sitting here, join us in the trail of power. If you come to ask any foolish question, as a chief, we will show you this newspaper that your great grandfather thanked the people that overthrew such a nobleman with a patashi. Ghana for yedi a patashi. Any Gary and I him for a war memoir. And the Koda soldier for the opposite for us. See a two coma. And the Kwame Nkrumah, Africa's #1 notorious thief. But Kenoforiata is enjoying somewhere. You know, so you go Papa Kwesidium bank on your notorious thief. You be good bank, sir. A war or member in Anuman, Proforma, woman, men or Papa, or Fanuano Ma, at the competitive basin there among your notorious thieves. And there, ye can Furiata if you read alert less than a so. So, yeah, Bonibia. Because Enche, obeying the green card. Unya green card na $1 million spent on Bagana Bium. Second of Furiata, I'm Bagana Biuma. What would you say? But Abutrika, you say on Yershi, Yajano, on Nam Yasachino, Ubiba Sukonoma, the Nakoto Cantonment Police Station, or that them, you're in charge, no. Bagana Mraso say a child who got to sell within 24 hours, even work Kuminipempa, within 24 hours. As I said, court. Abotreka them 2 solid months. Sabranti yenyenehwe. Ghana mebunu mundi mechi. Munko sundi mechi to say the mundi mechi na. If you say mpanifo na wo krom ha no. What to say ahemfo na de apateshi. What da soldier for ni gare. Ase da won ase say otuku amen kroma. Mama ye ni ambre na yanje o men yensi ho a. Takro ye de yensa. Be ye trumpet. Ye be shen yensa ben. And then a man kroma ka say change. When it is denied or too long delayed, violence will break. Go and wear a microphone. Violence will break out here and there. Not men planned or wielded, but the accumulated grievances will erupt with volcanic fury. The battle ahead of us. The battle ahead of us. The battle ahead of us is not for the weak. The battle ahead of us is not for the weary. The battle ahead of us is a dangerous one that we all need to stand up. We all need to rise. We all have to be up in arms to save this country from falling into a ditch. The material moment we begin to lose sight on these very important things, these important history notes, that is when we will fall and think that we are civilized and think that somebody has shown us something different and think that his story, which is now called history, is nothing to write home about.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers,